Have you ever stared at the moon and wondered, what's so special about that big rock in the sky? A celestial body that's been our constant companion throughout history, the moon has always been a subject of fascination and intrigue. This silvery orb that adorns our night sky is so much more than just a beautiful spectacle. It's a key player in the cosmic dance, closely intertwined with our planet Earth. The moon's mystique isn't just about its luminescent beauty. It's about the curiosity it sparks in us, the mystery it cloaks itself in. It's been the muse of poets, the destination of astronauts, and a laboratory for scientists. It's a testament to human curiosity and our ceaseless desire to understand the universe around us. As we dive into this journey, prepare to uncover the moon's hidden secrets and its significant role in our lives. This isn't just a tale about a rock in the sky, it's about our closest celestial neighbor and its indelible imprint on our existence. The moon is not just a celestial object that adds beauty to our night sky, it plays a crucial role in making Earth a habitable planet. Now you may be wondering just how significant a role our moon plays. The answer lies in the subtle yet profound influences it exerts on our world. You see, the moon acts as a stabilizer for our planet. Without its gravitational pull, our Earth would wobble much more than it does now. This constant wobble would result in drastic changes to our climate, making life as we know it a challenging endeavor. But with the moon in its place, the Earth's tilt remains relatively stable at about 23.5 degrees. This stable tilt is what gives us our predictable seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. It's what allows life to thrive in a variety of climates and conditions. Without the moon, our world would be in a constant state of flux, with seasons changing unpredictably. Moreover, the moon's gravitational pull doesn't just keep our planet steady, it also influences the tides. These tidal patterns, in turn, play a vital role in shaping our coastal ecosystems, affecting everything from the migration patterns of marine life to the growth of coastal vegetation. Picture this: the regular ebb and flow of the tides, driven by the moon, create dynamic environments that are home to a plethora of diverse creatures. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, all are connected to the moon's influence on the tides. Even human activities, such as fishing and shipping, are affected by the lunar-driven tidal changes. So, while we may admire the moon for its serene beauty, we must not overlook the vital role it plays in our world. It's not just a silent observer in our night sky, it's an active participant in the dance of life on Earth. So, the moon, in its silent spin, is a crucial partner to Earth, maintaining the balance and rhythm of life as we know it. But the moon's influence extends beyond just the Earth. It has also played a significant role in human evolution and culture. For centuries, the moon's rhythmic lunar cycle has been a fundamental aspect of our existence. Our ancestors relied on it to track time, leading to the creation of the first calendars. The waxing and waning of the moon became a marker for planting and harvesting crops, forming the cornerstone of agricultural societies and shaping civilizations. The moon's mystique has left its imprint on our cultures and beliefs, inspiring countless myths, legends, and works of art. It has been a muse for poets and a guiding beacon for explorers, its glow a comforting constant in the ever-changing night sky. Moreover, the moon has been a catalyst for technological advancement. The Apollo missions of the mid-20th century not only landed the first humans on the moon, but also sparked innovations that continue to benefit our lives today. Indeed, the moon has been a guiding light in our journey through time, shaping our past and propelling us into the future. So, the next time you gaze at the moon, remember that it's not just a beautiful spectacle. This celestial body, suspended in the vast expanse of space, is a silent guardian of our planet. Its gravitational pull provides the Earth with much-needed stability, preventing drastic shifts in our planet's axis that could lead to catastrophic climate changes. Beyond that, the moon's influence extends to the ecosystems of our world. Its gravitational tug orchestrates the tides, a rhythm of life that countless creatures are attuned to. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, life on Earth dances to the beat of the moon. The moon has also been a beacon for human evolution and culture. Its phases have served as a calendar for our ancestors. Its light has guided nighttime travelers, and its mysteries have inspired countless stories and scientific pursuits. In its quiet existence, the moon plays a profound role in our lives, a silent partner in our journey through space and time.